It's the building ground for San Diego's newest community, and it's happening right outside our downtown studios. We're going to have a close-up look at the very special project coming up.
Well, for the next few days, Horton Square in downtown is going to be the building grounds of San Diego's newest community.
That's right. It's all happening just outside of our studio. Let's check it out. Whitney, how's it looking out there?
Guys, it's looking like a framed house, actually. Yeah, started on Friday. It's going to complete tomorrow. Well, it's not really going to be completed, but it's going to be done enough to get the point across. And this house is going to end up on Elm Street up in Escondido sometime, well, between 2014 2015. Joining me right now, Lori Holt-Filer. She's the director of the local chapter of Habitat for Humanity. Let's talk about what's going on. Really, the reason you're here is to let people know about what it is you guys are doing, right?
That's absolutely true. We've had volunteers out here building, which is how we build our houses. 15 people show up every day. They may not know anything about a hammer or saw, but they've been building this house and they've been building it. They're going to take it down tomorrow. We're going to load it up in a truck, drive it up to Escondido.
This is going to be part of a neighborhood. It's the biggest project you guys have taken on locally. 1,300 square foot homes, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And I love what you were telling me earlier. You're looking for people to buy them. They have to qualify. They have to be low income, and they have to put in 500 hours and help build it.
That's right. When you come out and volunteer, you may be working right side by side with the family that's going to own that home. And they feel really good about being a part of their own home and building it.
Oh, Lori, and since 1987, you guys have built, what, 190 homes basically, or close to it. You put 156,000 local people to work as volunteers, helped out over 800. How's it feel to do this for someone who need?
It feels really good because we all know we're supposed to help our fellow man, and we know we're supposed to help ourselves too. So at the end of the day, when you're a little bit tired and sore, it's been a great day.
Come over here and give this one a hug. I'll tell you, this is such a great project. And again, folks, they're looking for someone to buy this house. 0% mortgage, but you got to qualify. Go to Habitat for Humanity. Find out more about it. Go to our station, NBC7.com. We'll tell you all about it. It is so cool. Guys, back to you. I'm going to do some traffic coming up a little bit.
Sounds good.
Thanks a lot, Whitney.